Welcome to our structural design class. In this series, we want to start a new design project. We want to design this very one-story building from the beginning till the end. So we want to start with the preparation of general arrangement. So I want to start from this level so that most of my students that don't know how to prepare general arrangement will know how they can prepare general arrangement from an architectural drawing. So this is a one-story building, which is just a single floor slab. So this is the ground floor plan, and this is the first floor plan. So if you are designing a single floor, so what you do, you use the ground floor to prepare general arrangement for first floor. If you are designing two floors, you use the first floor to prepare general arrangement for you use the ground floor to prepare general arrangement for first floor. Then you use first floor to prepare general arrangement for the second floor. So in this case, we are designing just a single floor. So we are going to use this ground floor to prepare general arrangement for the first floor. So I want you to start this journey with me. So we are going to use Protastructure as our design software. So we will prepare the general arrangement using Autocad. I will show you how you can prepare an arrangement from architectural drawing, then how you can also place your column. And when we are done that, we will convert this Autocad format to the XM file, and now we will export it to Protastructure, where we will do the analysis and design. So just stay put. So this is actually my structural design template. So a lot of things here have been said already. So I'll just copy one of these sheets, and then copy this ground floor and put it here. Okay. So this floor has a cantilever. And here is a void. If you look at the first floor, we have a void here. Then we have a balcony, which is also well, this one is not actually a cantilever anyway, because it has a support here and also have a support here. It's not really a cantilever. Okay, so let's get started on how you can produce general arrangement from this architectural drawing. So you have to delete almost all the architectural features so that you can produce the structural layout from this. Okay, so let's see how we can join this one. Okay, so we check out this. So let's join this also. So let's extend this here. Also extend this. So we join this. So we delete this and join this. Join this. Okay, so here we are going to join the whole of this. So I would assume that this not be a structural element. So this. So we check out if this line are the same. Okay, they are the same. So we can extend this. We can extend this to this point. And join this to this. Join this also. Check out. Delete this. Then click here to join. Okay, let's look at the original drawing again. Okay, so this is 225, while this should be 150. Okay, so we go back. So from here, from this point is 225. So let's correct it. Extend this. So we have 225. Then we have this 150. Okay, so we remove this, remove this, remove this, then extend this. You have to make all your line to be one line so that when you export it to Protastructure, your standard drawing reference will come out. It will not give you a problem. So this 2 to 5. Extend this. So you extend this also. Join these together. Join this. Join this. Join this. Join this. Okay. So we can extend this line fine. Okay, so we have been able to join all the lines. We have been able to join all the lines. So the next thing we will do now is for us to create our center line for our structural members. So we want to create center line. Okay, so we can change this now. Okay, so to create the center line, to create your center line, you click on offsets. You type in 112.5. So you now offset. So click on here to update. a snap, then you click, you drop, click and drop, click and drop, click and drop. So we can also create a center line for the 150. That one will be 75. Okay, so now we want to create an external border so that we can now don't need to just measure this, but I have to make sure that it is something that is reasonable so that when I'm doing my slab detailing, it will not conflict. So it has to give space, like this one here. It has to give space. So now I will extend the center line. So I will also click on this other side and do the same thing, extend it. Then I'll come here also and click extend, 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 extend. Okay, then click here also and do the same thing. Okay, so let's start inserting the label. So we just copy this. Now, if you are starting your design without any of these, so you just come to text, you click on text, you click on single text, click on single text, you can now type whatever that you want to. So it's the same thing. So I will now copy. Okay, so we click here, copy also, So what we are going to do here, we are going to do, okay, this beam is going to be like an overhanging beam. This beam is going to be an overhanging beam. So we create an overhanging beam. So here, when we are excavating, there will be no excavation there. This beam is going to overhang. It's going to be overhanging beam. So we also do the same thing. Copy the label. Okay, so okay, so let's dimension it. To continue the dimension, you click on annotate, come to continue. While your snap is on, then you go back again to linear, go back again to continue. Okay, so this is about 6.1. So we will look for, okay, so we're going to divide this into two. Check out when we are placing column, we know where we can place our the center. So in that case, let's look at something here. Let's do the experiment so that we can create the grid line at once. So let's this is actually 3150. This 3150. Yes, it's 3150. So we divide this 3150 by 2. We divide it by 2. Click on quick calculator. 6150 divided by 2, 3075. So let's see where 3075 3075. Okay, 3075. So we need to adjust this. So we need to adjust this to this side. Okay, so this will give us 3188. So we can come here, 3188. So this is where our column will be. So we can now Okay. On the click on linear. Click on continue. Okay, so we can actually place a column at this point. Can place a column at this point just to let's see. Let's do the same thing. 112.5. So we divide this by 2. Five oh two five divided by 2. Okay, so let's check it out. 2512.5. Let's see where it will stop. Okay, so we can use this point. So let's fix a column here. So in that case, we extend this. Okay, so you close this, you go back to linear. Click on annotate, click on continue. So let's see how we can quickly do the dimensioning, so that in our next model we continue with the placement of column. Okay, so we are done with the dimension. Okay, sorry about this. It's supposed to be here. Okay, so let's transfer this grid line here. So we want to transfer this grid line that we have to match to duplicate this same grid line here, the line type. So you click on this, then click on match property. So you click. Okay, so we are going to stop the video here. but we don't want it to be too long. So we continue in our next model. Thank you.